Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to pin a video on X. Okay, so let's go to X application, and now you want to tap your profile picture in the top left to open this side menu that has different sections, and you want to go to section with your profile. Now on your profile you want to find specific post that includes video that you want to pin, and now next to it you want to find three-dot button right here, and let's select option pin to your profile, and now confirm this action by tapping pin button. As you can see, it appears right at the top of my page with the small label pinned on it, and that indicates that you have successfully pinned this post to your profile. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.